Hey guys, I want to further check out this e-paper segment wall project with you and make a first start of it and see what works and what doesn't work. And yeah, I hope you like it. It's just a short update and it's, as you can see, quite successful already. I hope you enjoyed the video. After quite some time now disassembling and packing these old e-paper price tags and soldering quite a lot together with, for once, the ground and 3.3 volt rail and then the UART serial line through all of them, and having 3.3 volt regulators here from a 12 volts main supply to spread the current consumption a bit, and one ESP32 which is now split to 4 different UART lines to speed up the upload. We got quite some results already and we can look a bit under it, but I will just turn it around in a moment to show the front. And here's that result. As you can see, the top row is not turned on by now and the bottom row is already tested. So the firmware is made so that after flashing it, it will show this ATC. So you know that the flashing was successful and the flashing was done via an ESP32. It was possible to just hold these pogo pins onto the test points on the PCB, wait till the LED blinks in a specific pattern, and then you could turn around and see if the ATC logo is shown. And yeah, it was quite a bit. And now it's soldered together, and let's see if it works and if we can drive a bit more of these segment e-paper displays, and it really looks quite fascinating. So I just connected the power to it. It draws around 70 milliampere at 12 volts. And next part is now to connect the power to the ESP32, so it will also try to drive them, and it will not drive them fully or correctly as it's not programmed for this side right now, size. And also it's made so that a specific displays will not sleep again, so the update is functioning better. And yeah, so far it doesn't look too bad. You can see that 3 lines will be driven right now correctly. The 4th line isn't programmed at all. And here on this row we can see that this label is not updating as it should. Otherwise it would drive it even further. But let's now code it correctly and I will show you more. So yeah, after tinkering a bit and searching for a bit, it could be that I just simply forgot to solder 3 of these connection lines in between the rows. It should now work with the full screen. Let's see. So let's now connect everything back again. Hopefully it will not blow up. And let's see how far the refresh will go. This is the first ever real try, as you can see by the ATC logos still being there. And as we can see, there's still this part not fully working. Let's maybe check that out more. You can see the first one is doing a refresh, so it's most likely that the second one is corrupted somehow. I will just reflash that one microcontroller and then we see if the refresh does works better. As you can see, the lower part and the top row already works flawlessly. Take a look at this. It looks like every pixel is now fully working. And the update rate is also quite good with 64 pixels being driven by one UART line. So it's maybe around 3 or 4 seconds for one whole update. There are still 3 lines left at the top now. And I think I will stop then also because it will just get too big otherwise. The plan was to do 16 by 32, but 16 by 16 should be quite a lot already. And you can get quite a nice clock on it or some nearly scrolling text or such. Yeah, definitely nice to look at. Now it's needed to map these pixels in the correct order. As you can see, it's kind of this snake back and forth, but we need to have some direct coordinates, but that's quite simple to just turn them around in the code to then drive them via the ESP32 and maybe make some pixel art or something like that. The next part is now also to make some nice wooden frame around it, maybe paint it black and stiff it a bit from the back to then hang it onto the wall. Oh, what's that? That's not intended, but okay. And yeah, make a nice program for it. I hope you like that project and yeah, check out later for more projects like this. Have a nice day.